In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file Charles Schwab Form 1099 Composite on TurboTax if you received a 1099 Composite from Charles Schwab. The good news is that TurboTax gives you a direct way to import or enter that investment information in the right section. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go so you can get started without confusion. Begin by going to the Income section in TurboTax. This is where the platform organizes the different types of earnings and tax documents you may need to report. When you move into Income, you'll be able to find the category related to investment forms, which is exactly what you need for a Charles Schwab 1099 Composite. Once you're there, click on Investments and Savings. This section is used for reporting income from brokerage accounts, interest, dividends, and other investment-related activity. Since a 1099 Composite can include several types of investment income combined into one tax form, this is the correct place to continue. Next, when TurboTax asks whether you have investment income to report, click Yes. This tells the system that you want to add details from a brokerage or financial institution. It also opens the next screen where you can choose the company connected to your tax form. From the list of financial institutions, click on Charles Schwab & Co. Inc. Be sure to select the correct brokerage name as it appears in TurboTax, since that helps the system connect your account information properly. Choosing the right institution is especially important if you plan to import your tax information directly instead of typing it in manually. After that, follow the instructions shown on the screen. TurboTax will guide you through the remaining part of the process, which may include signing in to your brokerage account, confirming your tax documents, and reviewing the imported information. Take your time here and make sure the figures shown in TurboTax match what appears on your Charles Schwab 1099 Composite form. As a helpful tip, before you finish this section, review everything carefully for accuracy. A 1099 Composite can include multiple entries such as dividends, interest, and capital gains, so it's worth double checking that all the information transferred correctly. If something doesn't look right, pause and compare it to your original form before moving on. That's it. Once you complete the on-screen prompts, your Charles Schwab 1099 Composite should be entered into TurboTax and ready for the rest of your tax return.